Can you please share which of these boarding pass is visually appealing? Of course, there is no confusion that one with diagrams is visually informative and compelling enough. Okay, next question. How powerful is this simple symbol than these scribbles in different languages? In fact, all these words and the simple diagram on the right denote the same meaning, which is the floor is slippery. There are plenty of information inside this course. How this value stream mapping explains the process flow in more detail, or how is this Kanban board managing the work schedules of all the workers and projects, or how convincing is this Andon board in notifying the management when anything goes wrong. In most of the management crashes, communication is one of the reasons of the business problems. Visual management is all about making effective communication using cues so that key information can easily be transmitted to the workers or customers. Though it is commonly used to display information on targets, performance, warnings, expectations, and standards, the key concept is whether or not someone is familiar with the particular business or service. He or she should be able to understand all the process visually regarding current state of work processes, and navigate around the area and track the team's performances. Let us start with why. Why should you try this course? This course comes out of my years of experiences in visual management, business process mapping, flowcharting, value stream mapping, and business analysis. This course is based on the theory, case study, analytical, and test your skills approach. The theory deals with the unique step-by-step problem identification, analysis, and control approach with different kinds and levels of visual tools such as visual displays, visual measures, and visual controls. And why is that necessary? Because this creates a logical reading pathway to understand visual management from beginner's level of visual displays to advanced level of visual measures and visual controls. The case study section deals with the simulated case studies because you should be able to understand the real life use of the skills you learned in the theory. The analytical section deals with the tutorials of Minitab and Excel. You should be able to save your time, energy, and resources while performing analysis, and these tools will certainly help you improving your learning curve. The quiz or test your skills section deals with checking your knowledge after each section is over. Finally, the practice test section helps you to identify your weak and strong knowledge or skill areas, because after you finish the course, you should be perfect enough to practice these skills in real life scenarios. Let us see what's inside the course in a nutshell. In the beginner's level of difficulty, you will learn how to use the course, benefits and characteristics of visual management, and different types of visual management tools. You will also learn about workplace organization, work standardization, visual workplace, and color coding. This will be followed by different quizzes and simulation case studies. In the advanced level of this course, you will further learn about different visual management strategies using visual displays, visual measures, and visual controls. Finally, at the end, you will go through a practice test. In this course, you will learn many things about the visual displays using the visual management. You will learn about the Andon board, which is used to notify the management if anything goes wrong with the system, and it is also used to denote the present working condition of different departments. We will also study about the Kanban and e-Kanban, which is used in the work and project organization. We will learn about the cross-training charts, which are the visual measures of handling the training in an organization. We also learn about the visual footprints, visual work instructions, and rate tagging. In the visual measure sections, we will study about the BOS charts, run charts, Pareto charts, and histograms. In the visual control section, you will study about the different visual control tools, visual control symbols, visual control notices, and organization of different tools. You will also study about the different Poka-yoke or mistake proofing methods and devices. With 30 days money back guarantee, you can sit back and relax as you learn. Give it a try because this course will change your organizational improvement knowledge, and that's the promise from the instructor. Let's make it a learning celebration and a skill for lifetime. I welcome you to enroll in the course.